Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today I am going to show you two best ways to cook your green banana. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. In the first method, I am going to show you how to clean and cook your green banana. Cook your green banana, you will need salt, oil, lime juice, and water. Next thing I am going to do is squeeze some lime juice in the water. Ladies and gents, if you have long nails, no worry, I got you. See, I am going to cut the two end part. I'm going to use a small knife because this one is pretty short. Let's store it from that. I'm going to slice it or mark it. And add it in the water, prevent from turning brown. Repeating the same process for the rest. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now I'm going to wash them, remove all the dirt. It's boiling, I am going to add salt, oil, and lime juice to prevent the stain, because you know green banana have a lot of stain, guys, to prevent the stain from sticking in the pot. I am going to let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or when the color change from green to brown. Now let's move on to option B, which is similar, only difference is you remove the skin. For this method, I highly recommend that you use a glove. If you don't have a glove, you can just add some oil in your hand. Don't forget to check the description below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Now they are already cooked. I am going to add them in the cold water to remove the skin. It. You have method A and method B. Let me know which one you decided or which one that you like best. Thank you for your precious time. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.